How to fix Minecraft Dungeons is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. In the launch options add -dx11 and then go to the installed files and click on verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up your browser. Now navigate to this link, which is in the description below. And from the redistributables table, you will need to download the 86 and the 64 installers. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. Now, right after the restart, you'll also need to check if your GPU has the latest driver updates. For that, you can use the NVIDIA app if you're running an NVIDIA GPU. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software if you're running AMD. And can check and download the latest available driver and install it. Next, all you need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just open up the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.